sun nan, ou telman de sun nan. Vreman beautiful, ta cheke nou tout vini nan la. Bam bon nou, an cheke nou pou nou, mwen have Madeblier, se pa Universal nan, koman yele yon gift koman men, Westgate, koman an cheke ya sa miye pou nou tale. So, make it cheaper. If I want to do anything, coffee, cook something, but I'm gonna make a drink mwen, I'm gonna make a drink bejan la. So, salon, c'est ça la manger, hein? Tu ne pas tout à manger. Vous pouvez venir avec famille, everything. So, c'est là, hashtag at the TV, so you know enjoy me. That's beautiful. So, pull up back and please me. That's the view. Come in. Show them, you know. Oh my God. Beautiful. Very beautiful. You see? You have a nice view. The water park over there. We have a lake. Oh my God. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Inshallah, my man, you know. So, put enjoy viewer. Enjoy. Oh, c'est people first with the bus. So let's go. Let's shop now and back now. Can enjoy it. I'm so happy. We're happy. Let's go to the restaurant. Yahoo! Beautiful. Oh my God. So this is my makeup. This is the tub. Show them. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right there, the garden very big. So I can have a mari. We put plaisir no. We enjoy. Nous pas quitter problème pour nous aller. Venez dans chambre. Okay. Dans chambre. Beautiful. You see? Oh my God. Enjoy. Thank you. So, c'est chambre là. C'est Vicky là. Qui est dans le garden. Dans le garden. So, by the pool, you know, enjoy yourself. Enjoy some of them. Ça c'est dans monde passé là. Tu vois, tu les mets là. Travail de formation bien. Les maquettes Disney World. Next time, we shall finish. Okay, the market Westgate Vacation Village Down Center. This is beautiful, very, very beautiful. So they can finish, you can enjoy, no? We can plaisir, no? On va sortir là, on va manger parce que fait fini. We can manger là, nous allons manger, and then you know, guy na pool, back to like na pool. You know happy, you know so happy. Nous allons pool, nous allons manger, puis t'as the why not see me coming in my family, right? That's a good idea. So, they can connect to my to the room of my son vacation time. So they must celebrate fête moins. Gros bout d'année ça, c'est moins. Thank you parce que vous avez regardé. Okay, mes amis, on a nous sorti. So, nous déjà bien dans le là, nous allons manger. Et puis clé nous dégain activé. Nous allons camper dedans. Nous allons faire activité pour nous. Nous allons faire pour ça. Let's destroy this. Oh, this is one way. Yeah, so we do you know what to do for the pool? I'm gonna let you go to the pool. Question the clean out in the Pacific. We're gonna change the key and then I'm hungry, I need something to eat. Say do. I know you're hungry, you might say I'm not hungry. Yes, that's it for them way. Let's go enjoy. We right here on Orlando, Florida. You know, Westgate. Let me see. Westgate Vacation thank you so much. Alright, okay.
He just guessed it.
No, because he already knows that they've been là déjà.
Yeah. And probably because of my clothes. You got it. Up there.
Hi, I don't know if you can hand me the key. I cannot open the door with the key.
Probably ain't gonna end up. Look up. Go ahead. Come here. Kami nga.
Angelo, so nous allons là pour nous capables activer clé au bac quand nous allons rentrer dans la chambre. Déactiver clé avec téléphone. So we just go inside. Okay, come here. Where are we going? We're supposed to go right there?
Right here. No need to record everything now.
That's beautiful. So we were here to activate clear and back. It's very beautiful inside.
Where I'm going.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Couple centimeters away.
Okay guys, now get us to the activate clear and back. Oh, it's beautiful.
If you want me, if it goes near your phone.
Get the activate clear and back. Nous allons chercher bagay pour manger. On va manger. Mais si garçon va pas pour chino, hein. Libérer un poule. So, il était connecté avec nous. On va l'attirer plus tard. Maintenant, nous. Enjoy avec un café de fête. My God. Orlando, ça veut dire c'est fatigué, vous devez fatiguer corps. Not fatigué corps. Alright. Not fatigué corps. Okay, bon. Nobody coming in the video. Oh, sorry. But, you know, you're gonna be enjoy yourself. You okay? You're not tired? You're not tired? You have to go. se jounem la piye, mwen kap enjoy ou you enjoy.